The universe wants to see you happy today. So it's going to send you miracle after miracle until you have no choice but to smile. Are you ready? Type yes if you are ready. Message for you. Something extraordinary is coming your way before an August. A better job with more income is coming your way. Speak it into existence. The universe is supporting you. You will receive unexpected blessings, love, material and spiritual abundance are on their way into your life. Type yes if you believe. An explosion of money is coming your way. Type yes if you agree. If you like this message, please subscribe for more and hit the bell icon to get new video notifications.